We have 4 market days, and all the villages participate. They are just coming. By evening, this place will just be teeming with people. Let's walk in so you can see it. Let's go this way.
Bless you.
Now, this is the tubers. The yam tubers. Okay. There are different species. Depending on which ones there are, you got yellow ones, you got the white ones, you got the red ones. This is the market day, but the market day of our people are based on the moon cycle. So 4 days a week, because the moon has a different cycle than the sun. So this is part of the moon rituals. There it says for new moon, or it says every new moon and every week. In the Hebrew, it must have been 4 days or 7 days.
So this is part of the Hebrew culture.
Yeah. So, bark of trees.
Barks are medicinal.
Yes. And so it's for malaria, cholera, all kinds of